Hey everyone, welcome back. ChatGPT doesn't just take photos. You can hand it an actual document, a PDF, a Word file, a spreadsheet, and it will read the whole thing and answer questions about it. That's brilliant for reports, contracts, bank statements, homework, anything you don't want to read line by line. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to upload a file on Android. Let's get into it. Swipe up from the bottom to open your apps, tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and tap the app to open it. On a new chat, tap the plus button on the left of the message box. The menu slides up with Camera, Photos, Files, Plugins, and Think Harder. Photos is only for pictures, so for a document, you want the third one. Tap Files. Now, this isn't your phone's file manager yet. It's ChatGPT's own Add Files panel, and anything you've already sent it is listed under Recent. To send something new, tap Upload New File at the top. Now your phone's real file picker opens, and this is where people get stuck because it lands on Recent and your document usually isn't there. Tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the list of places and choose Downloads, which is where most files end up. And there's my file, a PDF called Q2 Sales Report. Just tap it once, it uploads, and you can see it's attached to your message now as a little PDF chip with the file name on it. If you pick the wrong one, there's an X in the corner to take it off again. Now tap the message box next to it and ask whatever you want about that document. I'm typing, summarize this report in 3 bullet points. Tap Send. Now give it a proper few seconds because it has to upload the file and actually read it before it answers. And there it is, pulled straight out of the PDF, revenue, regional performance, and overall health. And see those little tags underneath? That's ChatGPT telling you which file each fact came from. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT, tap the plus button, and tap Files, not Photos. Tap Upload New File, then open the menu in the top left of the picker and go to Downloads, or wherever your document is saved. Tap the file, wait for the chip to appear, then type your question and send it. PDFs, Word documents, and spreadsheets all work the same way. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.